this class, okay? Okay, because you have some work here. I'll give this work for you. You can enjoy this with it, okay? Okay, first already you know the grammar part in this lesson. The lesson name is the invisible cloths, right? How she fold everything you learned in this lesson, right? Okay, in this part they gave articles for the grammar part. This is the grammar. It's a grammar, okay? Okay, here they gave articles. Articles means what, you know? You know already our alphabet letters. How many alphabet letters are there? Total 26 letters. Yes, total 26 letters are there. Here, two types we can divide. Vowels are there, consonants are there. How many vowels are there? 5. How many consonants are there? 21. Right? Like this, you know, I wrote only this much. You know, 5 means vowels, 21 means consonants. Yeah, how many vowels? 5. Very easy. A, E, I, O, U. Right? Yes, you learned this all in previous class. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. Rest all there. No? Rest all we are calling consonant letters. Means B, C, D, like this type. B, C, D, F, up to Z. Up to Z. Those all total 21 letters are there. Those are the yes consonant letters. Okay. See here in this grammar part they are giving articles. They are giving articles. Which are the articles? Which are the articles here? 3 are there. Mainly 3 are there. A and the. A and the. Why I divide like this type? We are using these two only for a singular. Only for a singular part. Singular nouns. Okay? This one we can use for both. Singular also. Singular and the plural. Plural. For both also we can use this article. In here, see, these are the vowel sounds. You know these are vowel sounds. A, E, O, U. Means This is the These are the sounds, right? Which sounds will start from these letters? These vowel letters we are calling vowel sounds. Okay, those are we are calling vowel sounds. For example, ant, egg, ink, octopus, umbrella. These are the vowel sounds. Many are there. Just I am giving these many examples. Okay, these are the vowel sounds. Which words will start from these vowel sounds? Vowel sounds. For that we are using an article. Okay. If we are using those consonant letters, beginning letter is if it is a consonant. For example, ball. It is a consonant. A common noun is all the ball. Ball is a common. Book is a common, right? Like if it is a common name of a common noun of a bird. For example, book, pen, cat, dog. See, these are the common noun, right? For this we are using, if the word is start by by the consonant letter, we are using a an. This is this one and this one only for the singular. Singular. Single means what? Single means only one. Only one. If it is only one person or one thing or one place, only one. Single means like that. Okay. We are using A. A for consonant letter and for vowel sound letters. Did you understand? Don't get confusion. I'll clear again. See, in article, three articles are there. A and the. Okay? Here, A and we are using only for a singular common noun. Common noun is there, no? In that, it is used before common noun. We are using this before common noun and it begins with a what? A begins with a consonant sounds and begins with a vowel sounds. But these two also, it means a means one, and means one. But we are using this A for consonant, only this much enough. No place to write all. Then this one for vowel. This one for vowel sound. This is for consonant word. Okay? A. Consonant. If it is a consonant word, K means you can write A. If it is vowel sounds K means you can write an. But these two, only a singular word. If it is a singular word, we can add that. If it is a plural means we can't write these two articles. Okay. But the is also article, right? We can use this the for the singular also and the plural also. For both also we can use the article. Okay. And one more. The means this one. It is a very specific person, place, or any animals, anything. Okay, like proper noun. Proper noun has a particular name, right? Proper noun means it is a particular name. As a same, we are using this a specific person or the unique things. Like unique things means the sun. The sun, only one, right? Only one. The sun. Sun is very hot. The sun is, see, I am using this article now. The sun is very hot. Hot, right? This is one sentence. See, this is a unique. Unique means only one. We can't see any more. Stars are there in the sky. Many stars are there in the sky. But can we see the sun? Can we see the sun in the sky more than one? No, only one sun is there, right? So that is a unique. As a same, the moon. The moon. The moon is round in shape. And as the same, earth. More than one is there? No, it is also unique, right? The earth is, see, you can say sun is start by the consonant letter, moon can start by the consonant letter, but earth, it is start by the vowel sounds, no? Why you are writing, why you are not writing an? Is there more than one? Yeah, we can write the earth. That is unique part, right? So we can write the earth. Okay, if it is a person like king, you learned in this lesson, right? Who is that king? Krishna Devaraya. What we can say? The Krishna Devaraya The Krishna Deva Raya. Specific person name, right? The Tenali Raman. If it is a river, river means the common name, right? If it is it has a specific name means, for example, Ganga, the Ganga. We can't say a Ganga, the river, right? And the Krishna, the Kumudvati. Like that, we can say the specific name means we can add this the. Okay. Here they gave like this type of the some sentence. Okay. The is an article that is used before particular person, places or things. It used the both singular and plural nouns. What I said. This article we are using only for the singular, right? But this the we are using singular and the plural for both also. Okay. Here they give some examples. See, the tall lady is my mother. Tall lady. See here, the tall lady is my mother. That is a we are introducing, or they are introducing here a specific person, right? So they are telling the tall lady. And the next sentence. This is the hospital where I was born. Hospital also one of the place, right? Common place, but that is also common place. But we can specify that it is a hospital. So this is the hospital. Okay. Then next one. The books are on the table. Here you can say the tall lady. She is a singular. Only one lady is there. For that also we are using the. Then the hospital. One only they are telling here. That is also singular. And here the books are on the table. Books more than one means plural. More than one means plural, right? See, for these both, singular and plural, for these both we are using this article. Okay? Then next one, the children are standing in a queue. Children, that is also more than one, right? For that purpose also they are using the article. See, here they gave some passage, one passage here. You have learnt a use of a and an. Complete the following story using a, an or the. These three articles also you can write. Okay. First, I'll read once again. You can try to get answer. Okay. Dash elephant lived near dash river Kaveri. He was dash baby elephant. One day he found dash egg near dash bush. It is dash pigeon's egg or it is dash alligator's egg. He wondered. Dash elephant went to dash library. He pulled out dash book on birds. He read dash pigeon's egg or brown in color. Egg he found was not brown in color. Then he took out dash book on reptiles. Dash alligator's egg is creamy white in color. Read dash elephant. Dash eggs he found was not creamy white. So this was not dash alligator's egg either. Dash elephant thought, but this egg looks funny. It has dash orange peach, dash black peach and dash red peach. Then baby elephant heard someone's laugh. It was his mother. She said, "My dear baby, it is not dash egg, but dash ball." This is a small story. You can find out the what this article. Try to write. Otherwise, I will send in the evening class. Okay. Then here vocabulary skill is there. Here they are giving some sentence means unscribbled letters means you must arrange it properly. Then you will get correct answer. Rearrange the letters in the brackets to make a new words. Use these hints. Even find out the words one has been done for you. Here, first one. I play with top. Top. Yes, that answer is pot. Next, second one. I wear dash on my feet. HOSES. What you are wearing to your feet? Yes, that right answer is shoes, right? Okay. Then third one. Dash is red in color. Red in color. That is one of the fruit. LUMB. Yes, that is a plum. Okay, next. You can rearrange. They are giving somewhere unscribbled letter those all. You can rearrange those letters and you will get proper answer. Then fourth one. I have a dog and a parrot as my dash. STEP. Yes, that is a pets. The next one. My notebook is on the dash. Where it is? On the, yes, here they give BLEAT. TABLE. Table. The next one. The grasshopper dash on the grass. SHOP. What it will do? Hop, right? HOPS. Hops. It hops. See, this all arrange these words and then you will get proper answer. Okay. Then here pronunciation words is there. Pronunciation sentence. First, listen and repeat the following sentence. Focus on the sound made by the letter K and the letter combination CK. Okay, here they gave pronunciation part. Here gave some sentence. See how it is, K, K, then CK, K. You know in Kannada, right? Khadga, K. You are pronouncing little, giving stress and read. Then it's the K, first K. Like that. First sentence I read. I will take you to a circus. Take. We are telling very easy. Next one. The animal trainer makes the animal dance and walk. This is also very easy. See, we are not at all stress mode. Then next one. The acrobats danced and fought with sticks. Sticks. See here we are giving little more stress, right? Sticks. Sticks. Then next fourth one. We bought tickets. Tickets. Here also we are giving little stress. Then fifth one. We saw how the jokers worked. Worked. Here we are telling very easy. So these are the difference. K means we are not at all give more stress here, but here we are giving more stress compared to this. Okay. Okay, next come to listening skills. Here you can identify the similar sound words. Similar sound words. For example, the spelling is different, meaning also different, but pronunciation, how we will pronounce or read, that is we can hear say. Here, listen your teacher to say these two words. Bag, bag, both also bag, but spelling is different, right? BEAR and BARE. See, spelling and meaning is different, but pronunciation is same. Bag, bag. And as the same, you can get what we are calling this one homophones. We are calling this is a homophones means same pronunciation words, not the same meaning and spelling. Spelling is different and the meaning also different, but pronunciation, the sound is same. For example, I. How you will write eye. This eye. We are using to see the things, right? That is eye. And eye. Eye. Right? Okay, next. B. And B. See, both also we are pronouncing as the same. B. This is also B, this is also B. But the meaning is different and the spelling also different. You can say allow and same allow. Then and A-N-T, A-U-N-T. Both also spelling and meaning is different. See, and here and right no. Then night. Night. See, we are pronouncing those words are same, but meaning and spellings are different. To that purpose, we are calling this homophones. And then you can write this one also. By. B-Y. By. Spellings are different and the meaning also different. Then heal. Heal. Many are there. Whole. H-O-L-E. Then W-H-O-L-E. Then bean. B-E-E-N. B-E-A-N. And as I say, C-I-T-E. S-I-T-E. Both also side. But we are the spelling and meaning are different. See, we are calling this homophones. Okay. Spellings are different, meanings are different, but pronunciation are same. Okay. And then come to speaking skills. Some sentence they are giving here. Sita's brother lives in Shimla. You read this or you can speak with your parents. Ashia makes cute dogs. This one also you can speak with your parents or friends. You can change these names. You can add your names also. And then a black bear rides a bicycle in the circus. Okay. Then Akila does not like to watch television. You can change these names. You can add your names and you can read and speak with your friends. Our school team won the cricket match. See, these are all the things. Then here read for fun. Here they gave some fun activity for you. You can do it. This is only for the fun, okay? Then next writing skill. Here they gave one passage and the option answer also. Here you can search the correct answer and you can fill this dashes, okay? This is one of the Isaac Newton's story. How he was absent-minded. Like this step. See, Isaac Newton was an absent-minded scientist. Once Isaac Newton's housemaid went to visit her dash to sister. She went to visit her sister. Before leaving, she told him that if he was hungry, if you have hungry, he could boil the eggs. What he can do? Boil the eggs for 10 minutes on the stove and have them. She said like that. She then went away or returning. She saw Newton looked at the eggs. In his hand, he had mistakenly put his watch inside the water which was now boiling on the stove. What an absent-minded scientist he had been. Like that, sometimes we are also feeling like that. If we have more stress or if we are thinking more than our ability, that time we are doing like that, absent-minded. You also, sometimes you are in the class, teacher will ask something to you to bring something from your bag or somewhere. You are going first, you are running very fast, but then you will forget, Mom, what she said to bring from my bag or somewhere. Like that, that much of absent-minded people are there. See, this is you can choose the correct answer and complete this passage. Okay. Then here some two questions they gave. Value of our life. Do you think it was the right one? The lady part of have not waved cloths for the king despite taking gift and money from him. Is it good? She will collect all the money and the gift everything from the king, but she is cheating to the king, right? This is not good. Okay. Then this story shows that if we are not alert or careful, we can get cheated by someone. Share with your class any incident of cheating that you might have experienced and how you have prevented it with intelligence and the presence of mind. Anybody can cheating you, right? You must carefully in your life. Not only school or anywhere, everywhere you must be careful because everyone can cheating you. Okay, children. See, I thought everyone understand this concept. If you have any doubts in this part, you can ask in the evening class. Okay, children. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, children.